Okay, let's see if we can do this before Judy Garland gets off the phone. Here's a video about sending an HTML news with source code from your Constant Contact archive. When you send a email feed through Constant Contact and you choose the archive feature, there's a have trouble viewing this email, click here. You click there, up comes an archive piece, which is all your video that wants to be there. You go view source, which is under Google Chrome, under tools, view source. Up comes all your text, everything you need in your view source. Now, Constant Contact does a really good thing for you here. It gives you everything you need here in your piece. But it's easier to cut and paste the whole thing. Take Control-C, pop up a notepad, open your notepad, cut the whole thing in a notepad, okay? Go back to the top of the notepad. There's your content. You want to get rid of all this stuff because that's your HTML heading stuff on that page. That's your current contact. That's your content column taking from there. Okay, then you want to go over to your account. You log in with your user ID and password. And I'm logging in with the user ID and password for SpeakerNet News, so this release shows up in the right place. I log in, and it says here, Rebecca Morgan SpeakerNet News. It says send release. I go send release, HTML or plain text. From plain text, I go and I want to pick up, I want to pick up SpeakerNet News, okay? So I pick up SpeakerNet News. I'll just put the date in it. September. Spell it out right, correct, okay? September 9, 2001. Spell it right, why not? SpeakerNet News, September 9, 2001. Now you don't need anything on this second page. This is the optional page we're looking at now. If we're going to be doing a text release on this optional page with links, you can put all this other stuff in this place. But you don't want to mess up your HTML, so you don't use this. You go next, and next brings you to two boxes. It brings you a HTML converter in the top box. It actually adds a return to each line. But down here you've got the HTML code area. So get rid of this little piece of code there. Go back to the content column we picked up earlier. Go Control-A, go Control-C, copy this into the box. There it is. You want to click here to save your work. So now you've saved your work, and you'll see it come up. There it is. There's the video. There's everything in the piece. You go next. At next, you'll be able to do a preview. When you preview the piece, you actually blow up the preview, and you see everything's going to be there. That's how it looks, okay? You go down to the bottom of the preview, and there'll be a button here that says Publish. If you want to close the preview and go back and edit something, you click there. If you go Publish, you go Publish here. And then boom, your release is live on the front page of our site, correct in the whole process. And that's the one, SpeakerNet News. Now I got to go back and I have to load a picture, because once you load a picture for Miss Morgan, her picture will be there. And you click on it, it goes live. Here's the piece. Bada bing. There's her entire news release live from her Constant Contact archive. So you already made all this stuff. You already have all this HTML. All you got to do is pick it up and load the puppy in there. And because Constant Contact serves the images from elsewhere, and their links in there all work. So here it is. Pre-order the CD or MP3. Boom, right there. You're on our site. That's the video. Thank you.